This is my birthday vlog. Don't forget to follow Thafashionablehannah, like and subscribe and share. Siblings, cousins, in-laws, uncles, aunties, and friends. It's about to be a new year and I'm so excited what God has in store for me. I am super blessed and I am highly favored. So, happy birthday! Cheers to New Year! Happy birthday to me! Cheers to me! Cheers to more life! Cheers to more business ventures! Cheers to good health! Cheers to a happy home! God, I just want to thank you for this year. Thank you for everything that's added upon unto me. Happy birthday to CEO Hannah King! Yay! And this year we are headed out for my birthday. Decided to take a trip to Las Vegas, Nevada. And you all guess where I'll be lodging at. This is actually a girls trip. Thank you to my amazing husband who was taking time to watch the girls for me. Thank you. I cannot thank you. I'm so blessed. And thank you is not enough. So that's me in the plane already turning up. Girl, you can't tell me nothing because I am so grateful to God for another year. And yeah, now I'm about to get to Las Vegas. Boom! That is my limo driver who came to pick me up at the airport. And I am lodging at Bellagio. Oh my God, this is beautiful. That's me getting into my hotel room. That's it. I don't, yeah. Get inside. Really nice, clean place. Hotel, bathroom, big. It had all the accessories I needed. The bathtub was posh. Enough towels, clean, neat, well air conditioned. You can see the room. It's really, really large. And yeah, I feel so happy and special. Thanking God for an additional year upon my life. So here we are at the Bellagio Resort. Ooh, it's the view for me. So yeah, you can see they have multiple pools. I'm here for the fun. This is my birthday weekend. Right now, I got dolled up to go while waiting for my friends. Your girl is glammed in a pink blazer jacket dress. If you need your makeup classes, don't forget to contact me. I sell lashes too. Yeah. The birthday girl is looking all cute and fabulous. Yep. That's the hotel room made up. Bougie birthday girl. It's a new dawn. I'm grateful. So that's me turning up before I actually head downstairs. Bellagio is a hotel where you have everything inside and it's linked to Area and Vidara Hotel. So yeah, I have so much to explore here for the few days we are over here. So just enjoy the moment with me. And yeah, I went downstairs and ooh, this is super beautiful. This is Bellagio. You can see how amazing. It's like Chinatown. I've never been to China, but it's so beautiful. This is a night. See how it's bright. Oh my God, I was amazed. It is like out of this world. This resort is like out of this world. It's top notch. I'll rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 and 9.8. Just look at this. It is full and populated from morning to night. And yeah, my girls come up, Solange and Blanche. They're actually my big sisters, ready to turn up with me. So here we are at the casino. at the lounge having fun, and yeah, all glammed up. We decided to put up green. It was a coincidence, not really matched, not really planned, I meant to say, but yeah, got changed again, and yeah, we heading out to the lounge. So this is actually the lobby. We're taking pictures. Then we went to the Mayfair Club. Super beautiful. Those are pictures in front of the Mayfair Super Club. Had so much fun. And this is day number 2. We had breakfast at Area Hotel and Resort. The view is out of this world. We actually walked to Area. All the hotels are linked inside, and you can see it kind of relates to Bellagio, but I'm telling you, Bellagio is beautiful. We had a top-notch breakfast at Area. Well prepared food, and I had pineapple juice. Your girl loves pineapple juice. Yeah, so that's a cheers for happy birthday to me, and just enjoy the fun with us. Here they were actually giving me wishes. Cheers to a long life, good health. They love me like that. I'm so blessed for them to come turn up with me in Vegas. Yeah, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So yeah, that is us headed back, and we took a tram from Area back to Bellagio. Super amazing. The tram feels like one of those tram buses in Europe. I've been there. Yeah, so that's me in the tram, getting it going. And yeah, we headed back to Bellagio. Took some amazing pictures after eating breakfast. See how beautiful the view looks. It's a huge hotel. People are out there having fun. There's so much to read and take pictures. It's just out of this world. So yeah, enjoy the fun as I go. It's my birthday. Ooh, see the birthday girl. Hereafter, I decided to visit the Las Vegas Strip, and yeah, ooh, super amazing fun. This is we left the hotel, and this is Solange and I exploring the streets of Vegas. So much fun. You can't tell us nada. That's us all glammed on at the streets. Then we decided to take a drink. Still inside the streets, the strip, there are a lot of shops there, and this particular bar is friendly. We had chicken wings and fries, and now Akwi comes, and I go pick up Akwi. We're gearing for the night. Welcome, boo. And this is us at the nightclub inside Bellagio. These are the 4 girls. That's Akwi, love you, thank you for coming through. That's Solange. And yeah, the next day we went again for breakfast at a whole different restaurant. Super amazing. And those are the 4 girls for my birthday. That's Blanche, the sexiest doctor on planet Earth. Yeah, and I decided to make some t-shirts for me and the girls, black and white. Black is my favorite color, and we are banging it. So yeah, that's still inside the resort. So we had so much fun taking these pictures, and we had like a dessert out. Then you girls headed to the pool. Woo! No mommy picking left behind. Fat belly, no problem. We are still banging in our swimsuits. Here is the catch-up area where we had the final birthday dinner. All girls, Blanche, Hannah, Solange, and Ashley, we are all glammed up for the night, and it's a beautiful place at area. You must try to visit it. The catch again, and this is like lounge, you know, but it's beautiful. It's like Bellagio, but nothing as compared to anything. Bellagio. So we had fun at the casino, and now we are saying our final goodbyes. It's a hard time to always say goodbyes, and yeah, when it's time to go, it's hard. So Akwi left first, I left second, and Solange and Blanche left the last. So I really appreciate all of them for coming through, and yeah, it's a wrap. And that's Kathy who came to visit me. Yay! Hope you guys had fun watching some of the activities and some outfits. This is how I spent my birthday. We had so much fun, and hope you did enjoy this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. Keep following me, watch, like, and share. And yeah, I got into my cab, and boom, these are the streets of Vegas. Until next time, see you Tampa. Bye.